Hi, this is Shahid Tariq. I'm a senior software engineer at Axelerant. It's been 2 years for me working with Axelerant. Overall, I'm having around 8 years of experience working as a backend engineer. I have been working with multiple technologies, but mostly around Python and Java. So here I am working as a senior software engineer, now exploring some tools and some technologies around AI. Now, when we were working on that project, we had a client and they have a third party plugin that gives the live score and live commentary from a different third party. So the thing was it was costly, and the other thing was the commentary, the written commentary, text commentary in that widget. At times it used to pop up little late. The score was updated, but like somebody has to go and write it. So how fast could you be in writing? Like 100 words per minute, right? 120, 150. But at times putting a humor in the commentary, putting your feelings, right? You are winning, so your tune changed towards putting humor in your commentary and all. So the brain has to like first think of that, get the words, get those humor set up, and then you have to go and write. So no matter how fast you are, like still it will take you few 30 seconds, 60 seconds to write the one sentence so that you put it there on that widget. So while we were working on that, we had a requirement to build that in house because I believe they were paying a lot of money to that third party. And at that time, so I got this idea that I was thinking, so like, why would we go and write these commentaries ourselves? So why not we get the help of AI? We train our model with the existing commentary. So there are like many data sets already available there online. So we pull in those that data set, and based on that data set, we train our models. We use the existing LLM models, but we train those, and then we integrated that within our application. So now it's just like plug and play. So you give few input to that model, and it will generate a commentary for you. I think the idea is pretty simple. So see, if you are a cricket fan, what happens in cricket? There is a batsman, there is a bowler. A bowler throws a ball. The batsman plays a shot. There is an intensity in that shot, right? A batsman can like elegantly or smoothly play a shot, or he plays this shot very aggressive. Then there's a direction towards which direction the shot was played, and what was the outcome of that shot, whether it was 1 run, 2 run, 4 run, 6 runs, or it was a catch, or it was a run out, and a few other factors. Those attributes sum up what we see in a commentary. Let's assume there's a batsman, Virat Kohli, who is playing, and there's a bowler, Shaheen Afridi, who's at the bowling end. Shaheen Afridi, he dropped a Yorker, and Rohit Sharma, he did a cover drive towards the boundary, and it was four. So how would a commentator put it down? Shahid Afridi to Rohit Sharma, a good Yorker, but finds the gap. Excellent cover drive from Rohit Sharma, finds the gap, 4 runs, like that. Okay, or at times you can add humor in it. If that 4 runs were a game changer, you can put extra comment that now the game has changed, and the game is in this in the India's favor and all, right? So it's pretty simple. Like, we have those attributes, we give that attributes to a AI model, and based on those attributes, it generates a commentary for us, right? So the idea is pretty simple. So I don't think there is any rocket science behind it. See, this is kind of a demo page for us. So, like I said, it was as simple as having these 5 API endpoints. One is a health check. If we skip this, we have just 4 API endpoints. On top of these 4 API endpoints, we have the whole system built up. Okay. So we have an admin panel, we have a live score page. Okay. It generates the AI commentary, and there is a backend database associated to it as well. Okay. Let me open this page for you. You see, this is a kind of the live score page for us. So the idea was to create this as a widget, so that tomorrow we can add that widget to any third party websites. Okay, it can go as the iframe. Iframe is simply, if you have been visiting websites on your computer, you see in your left or right hand side, you see that the ads keep popping up. Those kind of like small components, this can be integrated as good as that. Okay, so you have a simple website, it could be anything, but like at any corner of that particular website, you can go and embed this widget, and that will give you the live commentary. So I think I have few Commentary is already generated here. This is about Sri Lanka playing with India. There have been 6 runs already. It's the first over and the second ball has been delivered. And now let's try to generate few commentary. I'll show you live how this is working. And yeah, we have this admin panel as well. So if I go and open this admin panel, so this is something which an operator operates. Yeah. So me as an operator, I have a option to select. Right now, it's just Sri Lanka India. I can select Sri Lanka India. Like I said, so it was first over. Bring back this to first hour and third ball. Virat Kohli is playing on the strikers and non-strikers, and there is Rohit Sharma. Uh, Bowler Sri Lanka. Let me put Mandela in. So now you see this is a representation of a cricket ground. Okay, so these are like directions, and each direction has a name. So and few other factors here. Let's say what was a shot type. If the batsman has he did a cover drive, or it was a pull shot, a sweep shot, a cut shot, hook shot, uppercut, square cut, long sweep, or low drive. Okay, we can add more. So for now we have put all of these. Let's say it was uppercut. Okay, the result was 6. Intensity was aggressive. I can add additional details. Those gets added to the commentary, or I can simply go and generate the commentary. So here, let me put something. Look at this. Mandela to Virat Kohli, 6 aggressive uppercut, high in the sky, race to third man. So I didn't ask him to write this race to the third man, right? So it has automatically generated it, and it's there. And if you go back to the live page, you'll see this coming and added here. At the same time, like we have the result. What was the result? How many runs were scored? Who was a batter? Who was a bowler? Right? And what time and all, right? So this is the outcome, the live score page, which could go as a widget to any other third party websites, and it auto refresh in every 10 seconds. And yeah, like I showed you, so this is the admin page where an operator goes and he puts these outcomes. Okay, you see, it was as simple as just clicking couple of like drop downs and buttons and put the name of the striker and non-striker, and it just automatically generate. Right now, we haven't put a drop down here, but it should be like once you select, like we select the India Sri Lanka, it would have been like you select the striker and non-striker, and then it doesn't change, or you simply have toggle button here somewhere. So we toggle that, and once the striker and change, so those two batsmen they will be like shuffled here actually. I know now we have to put it manually here, but there is a way we can certainly pre-fill these based on what has been already filled up. No, this was still in a demo phase. There is little more work to be done, like you said, so cosmetic change. So there has to be one more backend where you can go and add events and maps. Right now, you can just add you just see the Sri Lanka and India. But what if you have to add more? Okay, so for that, so there are like still few tweaking required. But the idea was not to do that backend work. Rather, the idea was to generate with the AI to generate the commentary. So that was the main focus of this whole exercise. What the next step we were thinking of to have the AI generated animation on each new commentary. Like, see, the last commentary was 6. How will you take it if there is a flash, if there is an animation where a bowler throws a ball and it goes straight out from the boundary? So, kind of those GIFs or animations we were thinking of. We like have those GIFs already in our database somewhere. Those animations created from our design team, and then based on outcomes with the help of AI, we will automatically pull up those animations. Okay, it will be like a mixture of different animations. Yeah, to make this page fancy and more attractive. So that was the next step which we were thinking. Like there are so many people who have so many ideas which they want to drive into something tangible. Anyone of us would have those ideas. So I would recommend pick one thing, groom it well, and then do research, see if it's worth of doing it, and then don't take it as work, take it as a hobby. You should enjoy working, then only you will be able to do it, because doing these kind of things are at times like there are like hurdles. There are like 10 different things which can disappoint you, which can like hold you back. But once you choose these kind of extra activities as your hobby, then you will love it and you will definitely do it, or else like it will be always there somewhere on the shelf.